Hello to pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvin, and in this short video I'm going to review this Skullcandy Mini and Mighty, and the brand and the model is Dime True Wireless. So I like this model because it's very affordable and reliable. I have done some videos in the past about another Skullcandy model, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. The reason is I just like the brand. This video is not a sponsor, and like I said, it's affordable and it's reliable. I like it a lot. So we're going to check what this Skullcandy Dime has to offer. By the way, this is a gift for a friend, so we're going to check this out. And in the back of the box, you can see that the case can hold up to 8.5 hours, plus the headphones themselves, 3.5, so in total 12 hours of playback. So that's pretty neat. Now we're going to proceed to open the box to see what's inside. So here I was struggling because something was stuck inside the box, so I don't know what it was. So I'm going to remove the case first, and then I'm going to struggle for a few more seconds until I was able to take it out of the box. So this is the presentation, very simple, I just like it. So this is the manual, and we have a few more things inside the box. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to put this aside. So now, as you can see, this is the case. It has some plastic wrap, so we're going to remove it. This is the color, chill gray. It comes in other colors as well, but this is the one I like. So as you can see, this is the case. The feel is plastic and it fits in your hand. So for sure it's going to fit in your pocket. So it's very light as well. So now this is the presentation. As you can see, the classic Skullcandy logo. It's cool. And this is, if you add this part, you can use it as a keychain. So that's something interesting. So this is the charger. This is a micro USB. The only complaint I have is that it's kind of short, as you can see over here. But at this point, you most likely have longer micro USBs. So that would be the only thing. Like I said, it's very light. The other things we have is these pieces for the headphones themselves, if you want to replace them or you lose them. So this is the manual. Something I like about Skullcandy is that all its products come with at least 1 year of warranty. So if you ever have a problem, you can call them or email them. All right. So now we're going to go through the basics of this model. The Skullcandy Dime has up to 12 hours of playback, as we have seen on the box. This is going to depend on how far you are from the device. For example, how far you are from your cell phone, from your tablet, from your laptop, or the device you are using to play music. And also how loud the volume is. The next is IPX4, that means is water and sweat resistant. So, but if you put it underwater, I'm sure it's going to break. So the next is that it has microphones on both earbuds, meaning that if you're listening on the right and the left for some reason dies out, so you can still listen on the right, or you can choose either one, all right? So that's pretty nice. And also you can answer phone calls and stop phone calls. So the next is, this is not in the manual, I tested it out myself while doing this review. And the signal from the cell phone, in my case I was using a cell phone, to the earbuds, it's around 40 feet or 12 meters, meaning that I left my cell phone on the room where I edit my videos and I went to the kitchen, and there are 2 walls in between, so I was able to still listen to the video with no problems. All right, so now we're going to, those are the basics, so now we're going to go to test the earbuds themselves. So this is the case, as you have seen before. Now we are going to remove the earbuds. So really simple, you remove it like this, and they have a cover where the part on which they charge, as you can see there, so they don't get damaged. You don't have to put them back every time, just the first time you remove them. And now, as you can see, they are pretty standard. They are fairly small, and they only have one button. Each earbud has one button. So the button is the Skullcandy logo. Okay. So to turn them on, you have to press it for a few seconds. I'm going to look for a good position. So you can see the lights over there. They are going to turn on in a few more seconds. So I'm going to turn them on both at the same time for 3-4 seconds, and you're going to see that the light goes blue. So if I keep keep pressing them, they are going to start blinking. That means they are in pairing mode. So they are discoverable. So now, using a cell phone, in this case, this is an iPhone. You can have an Android as well. I go to settings and Bluetooth, and now this is the Dime Chill Gray. So this is the model I have. I'm just going to click on it, and now they are going to be connected. So as you can see, they are not blinking anymore. They are not blinking red and blue all the time. So they are blinking blue from time to time, meaning that they are on. So now in this part, I'm going to play one of my videos for a few seconds for you to see how it works. Now lower the volume. And now with the buttons you can stop and continue playing. So for example, I'm going to press the right one. You can also press the left one. So as you can see, the phone is playing, and now it's stopped. Now I'm going to resume it, and now it keeps playing, right? So you can press either button, doesn't make a difference. It's going to stop or continue playing the music, the video that you're listening to. So if you press it twice, the right one is going to, the volume is going to go up, but right now it's at the top, so it's not going to go up anymore. So now if you press the left one twice, very quick, the volume is going to go down. So as you can see, I'm doing that. The volume goes down over there. I'm going to turn it up now, and the volume is going up. I'm going to turn it up one more time, and maybe it's at the top. So yeah, I believe it's at the top, so it cannot go higher. Now I'm going to lower the volume. As you can see, it's going down. So I stop it, and I'm going to continue playing. If you press the button 3 times really quick, it's going to activate the assistant. As you can see, this is an Apple, so it's going to activate Siri. If you are on an Android device, it's going to activate Google. So those are the functionality of the buttons. So very simple, 1, 2, or 3 clicks. So now I'm going to disconnect it from my phone. I'm going to connect it now to my computer so we can listen to more music, okay? Because my video, the volume was a little low. So now I'm going to turn them off. For that, I'm going to press both buttons for around 4 seconds. As you can see there, the red light. Now they are off. Now I'm going to turn them on again and put them in pairing mode. So I'm going to press both for around 4 seconds or so. As you can see, they are on. Now they are blinking. Now they are in pairing mode. So now, like I said, I'm going to connect them to my computer. Allow me a few seconds so I can look for the Bluetooth and all that. So while I'm doing that, this is a good time for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. That really helps my channel out a lot. So thank you very much. So now, in a few more seconds, they are going to stop blinking, like right now. They are paired with my computer. And allow me a few seconds, you are going to see that they are blinking blue from time to time. That means they are on and paired. So now we're going to listen to the music. Now I stop it, and I'm going to resume. Now I'm going to choose another song so we can test it one more time. Stop it. I'm going to stop it now. So we have tested it with a video and 2 pieces of music. So that's how I test this wireless Earbuds. So, like I said, I like this. This model is affordable, is reliable, the sound is good. So I don't know what else to say. I mean, I like the presentation. And let me know in the comment section below. Would you get one? Do you have one? Have you ever used one of the Skullcandy wireless headphones? So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.